Hello, James Graney here from internetbizuni.com, and in today's video I will be showing you a brand new product and a brand new brand that I have just recently launched on Amazon in the UK. So this is something that I've been wanting to do for a long time, but I've never had a suitable product to do it with because there are a lot of pros and cons with showing off your product like this. And yeah, I just never had an extremely suitable product to do it with, and that is until now. So in just a moment's time, I will be showing you the actual product that I've just recently launched as the first product for this new brand of products that I've created. But first, I just want to explain to you a small bit about this new brand challenge that I'm going to do and documenting here on YouTube. So I'm basically going to document the entire process of building this brand. I'm going to show you all of the ins and outs of it here on YouTube so that you can benefit if you're at the same stage. So if you're currently starting your own brand, or if you've already started your own brand of products and just want to kind of see inside someone else who is doing something similar to you, then this is going to be suitable for you. But as well as that, it's a brand that I'm very passionate about. I'm passionate about the mission behind the brand, and I'm passionate about the products that I'm going to be creating for this brand. So it's a brand that I'm taking extremely serious. It's not just a brand that I'm using just to get you in to buy to some $1,000 course or anything like that. It's a brand that I'm actually going to be building and showing you the ins and outs of it here so that you can learn from a lot of the different steps that I'm learning from as going along. The main reason why I didn't do this in the past, that I didn't actually go out and document my brand like this in the past, was because although some of you would use the products that I sell, not all of you would, or not a lot of you would. And that kind of just defeated the purpose of actually documenting it. Because yeah, I will be sharing the lessons with you, which I done without revealing the products, but the products wouldn't actually be very suitable for this audience and aren't going to particularly help you in your goals going forward. And that is a lot of why I created this brand and why I created this first product, because I know firsthand that it can help so many of you, and therefore it makes it worthwhile for me to share it with you. Whereas if I was just sharing any of my other products with you, a lot of you wouldn't be interested in those products. Yes, some of you would, but a lot of you wouldn't. So then there's kind of no incentive for me to do it unless I was just doing it to get you to sign up for a big course that I was selling, which I didn't want to do, because the entire reason for starting this channel was to connect with other like-minded people who are creating similar businesses as me, because I know from experience doing this that this can only help us in the future. But with all that said, I'm also very serious about this brand and going to build it like I've built my other brands, and actually go even further when building this brand in the future. And documenting this process will help you along the way, because you will see what is working at the exact time and how it's playing out online. Whereas simply telling you about it, telling you about what I'm doing, doesn't have the same level of interaction. So that's one thing that I really want from you, is that you leave comments below. Let me know what you think of each of the videos that I put out in this series, because I want feedback on it. I want to know if it is benefiting you as much as I'm hoping it's going to benefit you. And if it does, then the more comments I get, the more people that actually like what I'm putting out, the more I will put out. So please leave a comment below. Let me know what you think of each of the videos that I put out in this series. Okay, so with all that said, I'm just going to jump into it now, going to grab my product and reveal it here to you. Okay, so I'm a bit nervous about this, but I'm just going to jump in, just do it anyway, because I know that it will benefit a lot of you. So this is the first product that I have created for the brand. The brand's name is Accountability Kit, and the product's name is the Accountability Journal. So if you have watched the last video that I put out, you'll know the reason behind building this brand, the Accountability Kit. This actually wasn't my first choice of product. My first choice of product for this brand was an interactive whiteboard, but I don't want to go on about that in this video because that's not what it's about. But I will link up that last video below in which I explained my reasons behind that product and not proceeding with that product as my first product for this brand. So if you do want to check out that video after this video, I will leave a link down in the description so that you can check it out for yourself. Okay, so you're probably wondering, what's this brand all about? And that is to give the Accountability Kit's members everything that it needs to become accountable to your own goals. So if you are a member of the Accountability Kit, our aim is to help you to achieve your own goals. And there are loads of different tools that you can use in order to achieve your own goals. And this is just one of them. So how did I come up with the Accountability Journal as the first product? And journaling is something that I've done for the last few years. It's something that I really believe in. It's something that's extremely powerful and I do every single day. But as well as that, I also keep a separate diary. And that is where I came up with the Accountability Journal. It's basically a mix between a diary and a journal. Usually, if you journal, you will know that you keep your journal, you keep your diary separate. As well as this, in a lot of other journals, a lot more expensive journals than this one, there is a lot of other areas that I didn't find benefited me. So you will know this if you journal, there is a lot to fill out each day, but a lot of it wasn't helping me to achieve my goals. So what I've done is I created my own journal, which is the Accountability Journal. And this has everything that I believe is required in a journal and a diary to keep you accountable to the goals that you set yourself. So I won't bore you going on and on about the product. I'll just show you simply inside it so that you can quickly see what is inside it. The first thing is that you do get access to the Accountability Journal course. It's a course in which I teach you how to journal, because I know when I first started journaling, I didn't have a clue kind of how to do it. So this is just a brief walkthrough in how you can start journaling so that you can benefit the most from it. And you're simply not wasting time when you first get it by not knowing how to do it. Then in the second page, just a quick introduction into it. In the third page, then it shows you how to sign up. What I'm doing is I'm building a membership area, and as well as this, inside it is going to be the course in which I'll be adding new videos as we go along. So that kind of just explained it there on that page. And then the first thing, the most important thing that you should do before you create any journal or start any journal for yourself, or whether you just take your goals down on a piece of paper, the first thing you should do is actually write out your goals. And that's what this section is all about. It allows you to clearly write out what your goals are and set milestones for your goals. And this was an extremely important part for me to get into this product. So simply you just write down whatever your goals is, you write down why these goals is important to you, and then you write down quarterly milestones. So the way I set my goals, the way that I've had the most success setting goals in the past, is by setting a goal for a year out and then working back from this goal, so breaking it down into quarters. And that's basically what this journal allows you to do. So you break down your goal into quarters, so you have a quarterly goal, then every week you set a weekly goal, and then every day you set your daily goal. And the whole idea of this is that you become accountable to the goals that you set yourself. So as you can see there on this page, there's the weekly goal section, and there's also the daily goal section. So there's 365 daily goals and daily diary sections in it, and then there's your 52 weeks. So when you're going along, you'll just fill out your goal each week as you go along. You'll fill out your day goals, you break down your day so that you get everything in. That's with the daily planner section, and there's loads of other bits like habit creation sections and just different gratitude parts as well, which just come with journaling, and there's a very good part to get into whatever goals you're trying to set yourself so that you can keep yourself accountable to the goals that you set yourself and keep yourself motivated towards hitting your goals. Because this is something that I definitely struggled with when I first started setting goals, when I first started out with this business, was actually keeping myself accountable. And a lot of it came from my own job, which was working as a project manager for a construction company for years. It just made me aware that I do a lot of things because I'm accountable to someone else. And when you're your own boss, when you're starting your own business, or you're setting your own goals, whatever the goal is, whether it's a weight loss goal, whether it's something you want to achieve, whether it's a business goal, whatever the goal is, you have to be able to keep yourself accountable to it. And just having a diary like this one to keep everything wrote down will really help you to keep yourself accountable to the goals that you set yourself. And there's loads more inside this journal. You know, I have different quotes that I found really motivate me from different business leaders out there, from just different people that I find motivate me. I've then quotes put in it, and just lots of other things. It's a product that I'm very passionate about, as you can tell, and that is extremely important. That is one of the main reasons why I decided to document this. I was going to just sell it like the rest of my products and just not document it, but that was the main reason, is because I'm so passionate behind what this brand is about. And that's why I want to explain it to as many people as possible. And that is something that's extremely important. Whatever brand it is that you're creating, is that it is something that you're happy to talk a lot about, because that is one of your best promotion tools, is simply just talking about the product that you've created. And if it's a product that you're not keen to talk to people about, then the chances are the product isn't going to do as well as it could do. Okay, so with all that said, you're probably wondering more now behind the business side of things, and that's the next part that I want to jump onto. How I'm going to be promoting this brand, how I'm going to be getting the word out there about this brand. What have I been doing so far to create interest in this first product that I've created? Because as you know, most people that are teaching this stuff just teach you to simply throw up a product on Amazon and then throw a load of money at Amazon PPC. But this is by far not the most cost-effective way to get your product to rank. It's not the most cost-effective way to get your product sales. And the whole idea behind this is that I can be showing you what's actually working at this time, what's the most cost-effective way to be building your brand, actually building a brand of products, not just simply throwing products up on Amazon and throwing some money at PPC and expecting the products to take off, expecting the products to be making organic sales eventually. Because this is kind of just a hit and hope tactic, whereas when you're actually building a brand, you have to use the power that the internet gives you to actually build a brand out, and not just be using Amazon as the single one sales channel and platform to promote your products. So although I'm just at the launch stage now for this product, the Accountability Journal, I've put together a video in which I show you what I've done until now. What I show you inside the video is what I've done to create interest in this product, being a brand new product, a brand new brand of products less than 3 weeks ago. I'm going to show you exactly what it is that I've done to create the interest in this product so that it could hit the ground running. I show you what I've done to create the mini launch for this. So that is simply getting the product off the ground, making sales from the start. What I done was I simply created a list using ManyChat and using a Facebook page, and then I used something called branding content to generate interest in it. And again, you can go and check out the Facebook page for this and you can see for yourself. But what I've done is I've created a video, and inside the video I kind of show you some of the backroom stuff for that, so that you can see for yourself if you're launching a product in the future. And I didn't even create any of the content myself for this content branding strategy that I'm using to promote this product. And I don't know of anyone else using this strategy to launch products on Amazon, but it's definitely the most cost-effective way to launch your products in 2019. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you free access to that video if you purchase the Accountability Journal. It's as simple as that. The Accountability Journal is for sale for £12.95, and you can buy it from almost anywhere in the world off Amazon. If you go to amazon.co.uk now and type in Accountability Journal, you will find it. Just look for the picture of this product, and there's also a picture beside it of the course that you get teaching you how to journal with it. So if you just look out for that, buy the product, and then just send me on the order number. You can just email me, james@internetbizuni.com. Once you do, I'll give you full access to the free video that I've put together showing you how the content branding strategy works and how I've used it to build a ManyChat list of customers that went out there and purchased the product as soon as I launched it for sale on Amazon.co.uk. Look, I know that you, the people who watch my videos, are smart. I know that you're not just totally new to this, that you have a lot of background in this and you know what you're looking at. So you will know for yourself that what I'm doing, you'll know if it's working, you'll know if it's not working, and you can see all this for yourself. And that's good, because you are the type of people I want to connect with. And I'm genuinely not like others who do this stuff to simply promote a big lifestyle that they're living, and there isn't even a requirement to buy this. You know, if you think that it'll benefit you, then go out and purchase it. I know that it will benefit a lot of you, because this is something that I've really put a lot of work into, and it's something that I believe in. You know, setting goals, creating a journal for yourself so that you can keep yourself accountable to the goals that you set yourself. I know that it will help a lot of you, and of course it will help me out with this launch if you do go out and purchase it. So for the few days, as an incentive, that's why I've created this video, so that you will get access to that, because it's simply just giving you more value if you actually do go out and purchase this while this offer is available, and in turn it will help me with the launch of this product. So yeah, if you want to get access to everything that you get access to when you purchase this, such as the How to Journal course and the journal itself, and also the video that I've created, which shows you behind the scenes, kind of brings you up to date to where I am so far. It just shows you tactic behind the content strategy that I've put together for this brand that has allowed me to launch it the way that I have launched it, which is the most cost-effective way to launch a new product on Amazon in 2019. So no matter where you are in the world, jump over to Amazon.co.uk now and type in accountability journal, and then you can check this all out for yourself. And if you make a purchase of it, simply send me your order number and I will send you on the video that I've created showing you the inside of the branding content strategy that I've put together. And as always, if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below and I'll make sure to answer them. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to speaking to you on the next video.